Diane, anything you say can or will be used against you, sir.
Yes, sir.
On March 28, 2025, an officer was in the process of serving a capital murder warrant on a suspect in Harris County, Texas.
All right, pause right here. This is important. The charge is interference with a public servant, not capital murder. That distinction matters a lot. This means the state must prove the defendant knowingly interfered with officers performing a lawful duty. So the big question becomes, were the police commands clear, lawful, and necessary at that moment? Keep that in mind. This case hinges on that detail.
And took him to the ground.
Him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was he the capital murder suspect?
No, Your Honor.
I live there.
Stop.
Oh, sorry, sir.
I believe that they were in the process of serving a warrant on someone else at the residence, and that's when they came in contact with the defendant. Ordered him to stop. He refused to stop going towards the residence.
And here's where things get messy. The defendant says, "I live there," which legally complicates everything. If you're approaching your own residence, police still have authority during a felony stop, but only if their perimeter and commands are clearly justified. So ask yourself, did officers reasonably believe this person posed a threat, or was this an overreaction in a high-stress moment?
Was the murder suspect there?
I'm not sure, Your Honor. It's not said. I have no further facts that show if the warrant was service was complete on the warrant or not, Your Honor, or completed at the time. I just believe they were in the process and believed him to be at the residence, and that's been this incident.
Read it again, if you don't mind.
Yes, Your Honor. On March 28, 2025, the law enforcement officer and Squad 5 of the Houston Police Department's gang division served a capital murder warrant for a suspect observed inside a truck at a nearby residence. While conducting a felony stop, the defendant, who is identified by his Texas ID card, pulled up on the perimeter, got out of the vehicle, walked to the sidewalk, and began walking to the residence where the murder suspect was. The supervisor then ordered the defendant to stop and to stay right there. The defendant refused and continued ignoring officers and walking towards the residence. The supervisor ordered him to step back multiple times, but the defendant was once again ignored the officers. The law enforcement officer grabbed the defendant and made him bounce to the ground.
Okay, so now, but when you first started, you said they were going to a capital murder suspect in a car.
Yes, Your Honor. That's what, so I was originally reading the summary, and I'm going straight from the gems now, Your Honor. It looks like the suspect was observed inside a truck at a nearby residence.
So the suspect is not even in the residence. No.
Then they later state that there was that the suspect, that the defendant here.
This is the turning point. The judge isn't saying the police acted maliciously, but probable cause must be specific and consistent, and right now the facts don't line up. Suspect in a truck, not in the